Nestled in green pine and oak trees in Chamba district of Himachal Pradesh, Dalhousie is a pristine yet gorgeous hill town on the Dhauladhar range of Himalayas. The town is still exemplary of neatly planned streets and colonial area architecture of the buildings that are a marvel to witness amidst the lush green surroundings and snow-capped peaks of the Himalayas. The hill station has the same essence as earlier with its waterfalls and mountains. So if you are planning a trip for Dalhousie, then you have come to the right place. Today in this video, I will be guiding you with 4-night 5 days tour plan for Dalhousie along with all details. So don't skip any part and watch till end. If you are new to my channel, don't forget to subscribe and press the bell icon to get notification. You can reach Dalhousie by both flight and train. The nearest airport is Pathankot Airport, which is 75 km away from Dalhousie. The airport operates flight to New Delhi, so first you have to reach Delhi, then chartered flights to Pathankot. By train also you have to reach Pathankot railway station. Once you reach Pathankot by train or flight, rent a private cab which will cost around 1500 to 2000 rupees, or by bus reach from Maharana Pratap Interstate Bus. Fare is 100 rupees per person. Now coming to day-wise tour plan. Land at Pathankot and reach Dalhousie, check into your hotel, get fresh and go out for sightseeing. Start with Barapathar. There is a temple dedicated to Vulwani Mata. Then go to Panchpula, surrounded by picturesque mountain and green valleys. Then head towards Satdhara Falls, perched at an altitude of 2036 meters. Then go to Denkund Peak. The peak offers a bird's eye view. Then visit Bakrota Hill, surrounded by thick forest, which offers great views of the mountain. Day 2 is for day trip to Khajiyar, Kalatop and Chamba town. Visit the Khajiyar lake situated 1920 meters above the sea level. The lake is almost shrunk over the years. Then visit Kalatop Wildlife Sanctuary, which is home to flora and fauna. Then go to Khajinag temple depicting Pandavas defeating the Kauravas. Then visit Golden Devi temple, it has a golf course neighboring it. Then visit Panchpandav tree, which has a base split into 15 parts. Then visit Chamera Dam. Chamera Lake is the reservoir of this dam. Then go to Manimahesh Lake in the Pir Panjal range of Himalayas. Then visit Champavati temple located near the police post and treasury building in Chamba. Once done, back to Dalhousie and overnight stay. Day 3. After breakfast, move towards Dharamshala by road. It will take almost 3.5 to 4 hours to reach. Cost will be 2000 to 3000 rupees. It will be almost afternoon when we will reach, so once you reach, relax in your hotel for the rest of the day. Day 4. Cover the tourist places of Dharamshala. Start with Triund Hill. It's surrounded by the Dhauladhar ranges. Then visit St. John in the Wilderness Church, which is tucked amidst the lush green trails of Deodar. Then visit Gutta Monastery, well known for its tantric meditation. Then visit the Dal Lake. It's a pristine body of water that is fringed with coniferous Deodar trees. Then you can visit the tea gardens of Dharamshala. Then go to Suglak Khang, which are main focus of pilgrims and monks. Then visit the Namgyal Monastery, the home of the great Dalai Lama. Then visit the Bhaksu waterfall. It's a great trek option for hikers and rock climbers. Then visit Bhaksunak temple dedicated to Lord Shiva. Then visit the Kangra fort, probably the oldest fort in India, the largest fort in Himalayan region. Then move towards McLeodganj, the picturesque suburbs of Dharamshala. Once done, back to hotel and overnight stay at Dharamshala. Day 5, back to Pathankot and then onward flight or train for your destination. This is how your entire trip will end here. To explore Dalhousie, you can hire cabs which will cost around 2000 to 2500 rupees per day depending upon the season. The month of April, May and June are vastly considered as the best time to visit Dalhousie because of the pleasant weather. If you want to see snowfall, then plan between December to February. Dalhousie has more than 100 hotels spread across lanes. You will get budget hotel and resort as well. The state tourism body HPTDC operates chain hotel. You can book from the link given below in the description box. Dalhousie is open for tourists. You need to follow few COVID-19 protocols to enter Dalhousie. RT-PCR negative test report from ICMR approved laboratory not earlier than 72 hours or vaccination certificate required. I have mentioned almost all details regarding a decent tour plan for Dalhousie. If you want any other information, please leave your comment below in the comment section. So now this is the cost breakup for the entire tour plan. Hope this video is informative for you guys. We'll come back soon with next video. Stay safe, wear mask.